Hi guys, welcome to today's class, and today we'll be talking about pronouns. We're talking about what? Pronouns. Alright, let's get right into today's class. Now, you would ask me, what is a pronoun? And do you have any idea what a pronoun is? Okay, a pronoun is a word used to replace a noun, or you can say a pronoun is a word used to replace a name, since typically a noun is a naming word. Okay, so a pronoun is a word used to replace a name. Okay, so we have Ada is a girl, she is a girl. The word she is the pronoun and it has replaced the name Ada. Tunde is drinking his juice. He is drinking his juice. He there has replaced the name Tunde. So our pronoun there is what? He. So a pronoun is a word used to replace a name. Okay, so examples of pronouns we have he and she. He and what? She. He is used for a boy. She is used for a girl. You can't say Debbie is playing and you're using the pronoun he. No, Debbie is a girl, so you have to use the pronoun she. She is playing. Mark is eating. Mark is a boy, so we have to use the pronoun he. He is eating. So he for boys, she for girls. Now we have I and you. I and you. I is used for me, like when you're talking about yourself. I am playing, I am dancing, I am teaching. Okay? So when you're talking about yourself or when I'm talking about myself, I use I and you also use I when you're referring to yourself. Okay? Now you use you when you're talking about someone or you're talking to someone. Okay, like the way I'm using you are watching the video, you are enjoying this video, you are listening. So I'm using the pronoun you because I'm talking about you guys. I'm talking to you. Okay? So I for me, you for you. We also have the pronouns we and they. We and they. We, they. Okay? So we means when you're talking about other people, but you are included amongst them. Okay? My friends plus I gives me we. We are watching the video. Okay? So that's when I'm watching the video with other people. Now, they is when I'm not part of the group. Okay, so many people, but I am not part of the group. They are watching the video without me. They are eating without me. So they talks about many people excluding you. Okay, while we talks about many people including you or including me. Okay, so the speaker has to be in the sentence when you're using we. We are eating, meaning I am part of the people eating. They are swimming. I'm not part of the people swimming. I'm not swimming. They are swimming. Okay? I hope we're getting it. Alright, kids. So that brings us to the end of today's lesson on pronouns. I know it was short, but I hope it was an interesting one and I hope you understood what I have been teaching you so far. So, see you next time. Take care of yourself. Bye.